What if everything you thought you knew about the Apple TV was completely wrong? For years, most of us have treated this little black box as a simple afterthought. We saw it as just a basic way to watch Netflix or scroll through YouTube videos. We actually thought Apple had forgotten all about it. We assumed they were totally content letting Roku and Amazon take over the living room. But a massive wave of new information has just exposed a brilliant and secret plan. Apple is not just building a simple streaming device for 2026. They are building a Trojan horse. They are secretly planning to sneak a high-end gaming console and a powerful AI supercomputer right into your living room. They are doing all of this under the disguise of a simple Apple TV. The gaming industry is absolutely terrified right now. Smart home companies are starting to panic. If these new details are true, the 2026 Apple TV 4K will rewrite the rules of home entertainment forever. It is time to break down the insane features. We need to look at the secret new chips. We need to explore the massive upgrades that make this the most anticipated tech release of the entire decade. Right now, the current Apple TV 4K is just decent. It works well enough for most people. But the harsh truth is that it is stuck in the past. It runs on the older A15 Bionic chip. That chip is fast enough for scrolling through movies. It works fine for opening basic apps. But Apple knows that being just fast enough does not change the world. They do not want to just be a small part of your living room. They want total dominance. Recent industry details confirm that the 2026 model is changing absolutely everything. They are ripping out that old technology completely. The new brain of this incredible machine will be the A17 Pro chip. This is an absolute monster of a processor. This is not a light version. It is not a cheap budget chip. It is the exact same powerhouse chip that runs the incredibly fast iPhone 15 Pro. Now, you might be wondering something very important. Why would anyone put a premium smartphone chip into a simple TV box? It might sound like total overkill at first. It might seem like way too much power for just watching a TV show. But you have to understand the raw power of this specific chip. It has 6 CPU cores. It has professional-grade graphics capabilities. It represents a massive leap in speed. It is an undeniable jump in performance. So why does a simple box that plays movies need so much horsepower? The answer is the biggest plot twist in Apple's entire hardware history. They are coming straight for the gaming giants. They are coming for PlayStation. They are coming for Xbox. Apple is completely turning the new Apple TV into a legitimate, heavy-duty gaming console. We're not talking about simple mobile games anymore. We're not talking about basic puzzles or casual phone apps. We're talking about massive, beautiful, and heavy AAA titles. The A17 Pro chip features hardware-accelerated ray tracing. This is the holy grail of modern gaming. This advanced technology makes light look completely real. It makes reflections look deep and natural. It makes shadows in video games look incredibly lifelike. We already know this exact chip can handle the pressure. We have seen it run massive games like Resident Evil Village. We have seen it run Assassin's Creed Mirage flawlessly. Now, just imagine playing those massive blockbuster games on your giant living room TV. Imagine doing that without needing to buy a heavy $500 console. Apple might even introduce a special software technology called Metal FX upscaling. This is a brilliant trick. It makes games look like they are running at an amazing high resolution. But it does this without melting the hardware. It keeps the device perfectly cool while the graphics look absolutely stunning. There are even very strong whispers about a highly secret project. Apple is said to be designing its very own premium gaming controller. They want to bundle it directly with this new device. They want a complete and total package. They want hardcore gamers to finally take them seriously. They want you to put down the controller of your old console and pick up theirs. But the massive gaming revolution is only half of the story. Apple is also tripling down on artificial intelligence. To make this happen, they're giving the 2026 Apple TV a massive memory upgrade. It will jump up to an incredible 8 gigabytes of RAM. For a tiny TV box, that is a staggering amount of memory. Most competitors do not even come close to that number. This extra space is not just for switching between your apps quickly. It is not just for keeping the menus smooth. It is the mandatory foundation for Apple Intelligence. Apple's new AI system needs serious hardware. It needs to run locally. This is the key difference. The AI actually lives inside the physical box in your house. It does not live on a faraway server. It does not wait for a cloud connection to process your thoughts. This means Siri is finally getting a massive brain transplant. It is the upgrade Siri has desperately needed for many years. You will not just ask Siri to pause the movie anymore. You will not just ask for the basic weather forecast. You will be able to ask complex questions about the exact plot of the show you are watching. You can ask who that random background actor is in a specific scene. You can ask it to find a movie based on a very specific mood. You can ask for a mix of scary thriller and a funny comedy. Siri will actually understand real human context. It will give you instant answers without any annoying lag or delay. It will feel like a real conversation with a real person. And because the A17 Pro processes all of this right inside your house, your personal data stays safe. Your personal voice data stays totally private and secure. It never leaves your four walls. To make sure this new supercomputer never drops a connection, Apple is inventing something completely new. They are creating an entirely new piece of hardware. Industry insiders are calling it the N1 chip. This is a dedicated networking chip. Its only job in the world is to handle wireless communication. Think of it exactly this way. The A17 Pro handles the deep thinking. The N1 chip handles the fast talking. This secret weapon brings Wi-Fi 7 to the Apple TV for the very first time. Wi-Fi 7 is unbelievably fast. It offers almost zero lag. It offers zero latency. This is absolutely crucial for the future of entertainment. If you're cloud gaming, you simply cannot have lag. If you're streaming massive 4K or 8K video files, you cannot have buffering. If your family is downloading huge files in the next room, your movie will still play perfectly without a single stutter. The N1 chip will hold onto your wireless signal like a tight vise. It will never let go. It will also pack the latest Bluetooth 6 standards. It will include advanced thread networking. This makes the Apple TV the ultimate command center. It becomes the true heart of your entire smart home. With all this insane power packed inside, the old plastic box design simply has to go. Apple has set a strict goal to reach a zero-carbon footprint by the year 2030. And they know that extreme performance requires much better cooling. The current plastic shell, while it looks nice and compact, acts just like a warm insulator. It traps way too much heat. For a device running a pro-level smartphone chip, heat is the ultimate enemy. This is why the biggest details suggest a totally new physical design using high-grade recycled aluminum. This new metal design isn't just for good looks. Aluminum acts as a giant natural heat sink. It literally pulls the hot temperatures away from the A17 Pro chip. This allows you to play heavy AAA games for hours and hours without the system crashing or slowing down. There is even a wild, highly discussed detail about a special liquid glass top finish. This premium material wouldn't just be a simple design flex. It would naturally reflect the light coming from your TV. It would give the device a beautiful, glowing appearance that actually changes based on what you are currently watching. It makes the entire device feel like a living, breathing part of your home theater, rather than just another boring piece of plastic hardware. But Apple isn't just fixing the actual box. They're finally fixing the single most annoying thing about the entire Apple TV experience. They're fixing the remote control. We all lose it constantly. It is way too thin, it is way too slippery, and it loves to hide deep in the couch. The 2026 Siri remote is highly expected to feature a built-in speaker and a dedicated tracking chip. When it gets lost deep in the couch cushions, you will not have to tear the living room apart anymore. You will just pull out your iPhone and use precision finding. You will make the remote scream loudly until you finally F. IND it. They're also upgrading the main click pad with advanced haptic feedback. This will make scrolling through endless Netflix lists feel incredibly precise. Every single click will feel like a physical notch. It will give you a very satisfying tactile response that makes the digital software feel much more real. Speaking of software, the system running all of this is known as tvOS 26. It is getting a massive visual overhaul. It is becoming deeply personalized to you in a way we have never seen before. Details point to an amazing breakthrough in multi-user facial recognition. Just imagine this exact scenario. You sit down on the living room couch. A connected webcam or even your iPhone automatically recognizes your specific face. The TV instantly switches over to your personal profile. It brings up your exact game saves. It brings up your continue watching list. It shows your perfectly tailored YouTube recommendations. There's no more annoying clicking through different profiles. You will never see your kids' cartoons mixed into your serious workout feed ever again. The TV just knows exactly who is watching. Sports fans are getting a massive win, too. Apple has been quietly investing billions of dollars into live sports. They are finally using that heavy leverage. The new tvOS 26 will likely lead to a brand new multicam view. You could watch a live football game right on the main screen. At the exact same time, you could keep a live stats tracker and a second game running in a smaller window right on the side. To hold all these new massive games and heavy AI features, the internal storage is getting a huge bump. The old 64GB models are officially dead and gone. We are looking at huge 256GB and even 512GB storage tiers for the hardcore gaming models. There might even be external hard drive support through a high-speed USB-C port. This would completely break Apple's traditional closed system rules. It would allow you to plug in and store a massive, endless library of games and movies. So, when does this absolute monster hit the store shelves and empty our wallets? The timeline is becoming very clear right now. Mass production in the global supply chain is officially ramping up for a 2026 release. Industry experts are currently split between two possible windows. We might see a spring launch in March, or we might see a massive fall launch in September, dropping right alongside the brand new iPhones. The pricing strategy for this machine is actually brilliant. Apple wants to trap absolutely everyone inside their ecosystem, so they will not price this box out of reach. They will likely keep a basic entry-level model right around $159. This will be for standard movie watchers. However, the high-end gaming tier is where the magic happens. The model with the aluminum body, the N1 chip, maximum storage, and an Ethernet port will sit comfortably around $199 to $249. For a machine that heavily rivals a dedicated gaming console and completely controls your entire smart home with privacy-first AI, that price is an absolute steal. In my honest opinion, this is easily the most exciting product Apple currently has in its secret pipeline. For many years, the Apple TV was just a fun little side hobby for them. Now, it is a highly calculated and dangerous weapon. By perfectly combining the raw gaming power of the A17 Pro, the flawless connectivity of Wi-Fi 7, and the absolute magic of local Apple intelligence, they're creating the ultimate home entertainment system. It is going to firmly force Roku, Amazon, and even massive gaming companies to completely rethink their future strategies. This is not just a simple yearly upgrade. It is a massive technological revolution hiding inside a tiny metal box. I truly cannot wait to see how this completely changes the living room experience. If you loved learning about the future of Apple technology in this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. Share this video with a friend who loves gaming or Apple products, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another massive tech update. Drop a comment below and let me know, would you buy this new Apple TV over a PlayStation or Xbox? Thanks for watching.